Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a useful feature on the WhatsApp PC app, specifically how to view all group members. With the latest update, this process has become even smoother. Let's get started. First, make sure you open your WhatsApp account on your PC. You can log in through the desktop app or the web version. Once you're in, you're just a few clicks away from accessing your group members. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Just below it, you'll see a tab labeled Groups. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all your groups, organized for your convenience. Now, you'll want to find the specific group whose members you wish to view. Scroll through your list or use the search function to locate the group quickly. Once you've found it, it's time to get a little deeper. Click on the group's name to open the group information page. Here, you'll find various details about the group, like its description and settings. But what we're really interested in is the members list. Finally, look for the members section. By clicking on this, you'll be able to see all the members who are part of the group. It's a simple, yet effective way to keep track of who's involved. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed all the members of a WhatsApp group on the PC app. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.